Welcome to the Cursor AI Masterclass on Architect Autonomous Reviewer and Token Optimization. In this session, we will learn how to implement AI review flows with the rigor of a senior engineer, while managing context and tokens efficiently so your agents stay fast, accurate, and cost-effective. Developers face a dilemma. We want AI to implement, self-audit, and report like a senior engineer. But complex checks quickly exhaust a 200K context window. Our challenge is to achieve deep autonomous review, security, types, performance, without burning tokens and degrading model quality. The Architect Autonomous Reviewer runs continuously during feature work. It enforces disciplined implementation, performs silent reviews with type and security checks, and finishes with a final audit that requires explicit sign-off. This turns every coding task into a structured, high-assurance workflow. Triggering built-in verification is simple. You write code as usual in your editor. In the background, the agent runs silent checks for re-renders, async errors, and other risks. When the review passes, the system marks the code as verified, giving you immediate automated quality assurance. Targeted/commands give you precise control. Use Optimize to analyze memory and CPU footprint. Run Harden for security and edge case review, and Spec Align to validate the implementation against your README or PRD. Each command focuses the agent on a specific high-value concern. The explicit sign-off is your safety net. After checks complete, the agent prints an audit summary covering performance, security, and complexity. It is instructed not to finish the task until this report is produced, ensuring no silent failures and giving teams a clear, reviewable trail. This comparison shows where Architect Reviewer fits in your tooling. Unlike pre-commit hooks or editor settings, it runs during implementation with built-in AI checks focused on code quality and design. It complements rather than replaces existing gatekeeping and configuration workflows. Token burn follows a pattern. Overpinning files pushes you into the yellow zone. Heavy always, apply rules move you into the orange zone before you even type. Long threads drive you into the red zone, where each message resends full history. Managing these behaviors is key to efficiency. Optimization 1 is mastering the session. Avoid endless threads where context exceeds 60% and the agent starts to hallucinate. Instead, finish a task, close the chat, and open a new microsession, passing only a brief summary or file reference so history does not accumulate unnecessarily. Optimization 2 is scoping your rules. Limit your project to a single short always. Apply block and rely on glob patterns so rules load only when relevant files are open. Reference example files instead of pasting large inline snippets. This keeps background context lean and targeted. Optimization 3 is pinning with precision. Apply strict limits of 1 to 3 files per request. Use folder-level pins first so the agent understands structure before pulling raw code. Avoid speculative hoarding of context. Let the agent request additional files only when they are needed. Optimization 4 is matching mode to mission. Use auto for low-cost tasks like formatting or boilerplate. Reserve agent mode for architecture work, unfamiliar code bases, or complex bugs, and keep tab completion for single-line edits. Remember that each agent task triggers many internal calls. Optimization 5 is adopting a plan-first workflow. Start with the plan command to request an outline, key files, and edge cases. Reviewing this plan prevents the agent from charging down the wrong path and saves thousands of tokens that would otherwise be spent on repeated corrections. The Token Strategy Toolkit operates on 3 tiers. First, perform a one-time audit to make your rules token efficient. Second, build daily habits around lean sessions, minimal context, and smart mode selection. Third, for large features, enforce a plan-first workflow before heavy coding begins. Bringing it together, the ultimate AI coding loop has 4 steps. Plan with minimal context, implement with the right compute mode, Let the architect reviewer self-audit for quality, then close the chat after the audit completes. This cycle delivers maximum code quality with minimal tokens. You are now ready to build. Enable architect verification, audit your cursor rules, master folder-based discovery, and adopt the new chat microsession habit. With these practices in place, your AI agents will behave like disciplined senior engineers while staying context efficient.